What's up, tech enthusiasts? Today, we're unboxing the budget Vieta Pro Way 3 headphones. Let's see if these audio marvels live up to the hype. The sleek, minimalist packaging hints at the premium experience inside. As we unbox, we're greeted by a modern, ergonomic design. The build quality feels solid and sturdy, promising durability. Let's dive into the specs. These headphones boast powerful 40mm dynamic drivers, delivering immersive sound with rich bass, crisp mids, and clear highs. The active noise cancellation technology promises to block out unwanted noise, whether you're on a bustling commute or in a noisy coffee shop. With up to 50 hours of battery life on a single charge, you can enjoy your favorite music, podcasts, or audiobooks for days on end. The comfortable ear cups and adjustable headband ensure all-day comfort, making these headphones perfect for long listening sessions. In the next video, we'll put these headphones to the test. We'll dive deep into the sound quality, noise cancellation, and overall performance. Stay tuned to find out if the Vieta Pro Way 3 is worth the hype. What are your thoughts on the Vieta Pro Way 3? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and unboxings. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.